Hey guys, how are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So guys, what you are seeing me holding in my hand is our new product launch. So this is called Mandala metal wall art. So as you can see, this comes in a metallic golden finish and its size is 24 by 24 inches. So length is 24 inches and breadth is 24 inches. And guys, this is made of as you can see 1.6 mm thick high quality powder coated steel. So guys, as you can see, this is a powder coated and a scratch proof material, if you can see. And regular vendors and all, what they will do is they will just use a regular spray paint and they will paint and give it to you, which is not at all durable. This is entirely a different technology and a costly one too. But benefits of this particular powder coating technology is that this type of finish you will not get in the spray paint cans and all, or a regular spray painting process. And even this is a rust free item, as this is a made of metal. This is a rust free item, and it can be hung inside or outside the house also. So I will show you guys how to hang this. So this back side is there. So this is already having a hook. This will be provided inside the package. This is the one hook, and these are three are the supporting screws, as you can see. And this particular nail is there, a regular drywall screw is there. So this also we will give you inside the package. You have to just fix this at your wall, and the distance from the wall should be 2 centimeter. Okay, and you have to just hang it. I will show you how to hang it. It is very simple. You have to just fix the screw and you can hang this, and it is done, guys. So it is actually that simple to fix it. As you can see, this is a standard size 24 by 24 inches. Looks beautiful and very gorgeous, and it's a very unique gifting item too. If you want to, you are bored with the regular gifts and all, you can definitely gift it to the to your relatives, friends, family, or if you are going to any special occasions, wedding, anniversary, everything. This product will shine everywhere. This is a new type of product which anyone will come to know about, and this is very beautiful and very aesthetic in look. And guys, I will also show you this particular is the laser cut material. As you can see, this is not like handcrafted or not. This is the laser cut, German technology laser cut. You can see with precision we have cut all these things. And guys, I will also tell you the benefits of this particular Om Mandala metal wall art. So as you can see, the powerful symbol Om is in the center, and this is the mandala art. If you google the benefits of the mandala art also, you can come to know this is having a very very historic evidence, and this is very spiritual, believed to be very spiritual, this particular design, and combined with Om makes it even more powerful. So if you hang this at your house or puja room, or if you worship it daily, so it is a believed to bring prosperity, wealth, and very much happiness to your house. So it is one of the benefit of this particular product. And guys, these are all export quality items, high quality steel, export quality items. So quality wise there will be no challenges at all. Very easy to hang, and we are shipping this in our premium packaging. And definitely you can consider buying this. This is a very beautiful product, and satisfaction will be 100% guarantee. This is a metallic golden color, guys. You can see how beautiful this looks. So I hope you like our product, guys, and definitely have a try, and you will be 100% satisfied. And this much we are confident, because the product is made fantastic way. It is mainly for exports, because of which we have kept strong quality standards while manufacturing this product. So I hope you like this product.